Welcome to another Simple Dad DJI Pocket 3 tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to take a photo on your DJI Pocket 3. So you've just recently bought your DJI Pocket 3 and you want to know how to take some photographs on it. So let me show you how to do that. So first, you want to go ahead and power on your DJI Pocket 3 by rotating the screen. Now once that's powered on, you'll need to insert a micro SD card. So as you can see, this is a micro SD card. Go ahead and insert it into your Pocket 3 just next to the joystick. Now once that's inserted, at the top left you'll see the time and minutes. Now to take a photo on your Pocket 3, you want to make sure you're in the correct mode. So at the bottom left you'll see the mode. Currently it's in video mode, so you'll need to go into the photo mode. So to do this, go ahead and tap on this icon here at the bottom left. Select photo, which is a camera icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you're in photo mode. Now if you look at the top left, this will show you how much space you have left on your micro SD card. Now to take a photograph on your Pocket 3, go ahead and tap on this record button with the red circle on it. This will now take a photograph. Once it gives you that click noise, that means it's taken a photograph. And there you go. That is how to take a photograph on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.